Welcome back guys. In the previous video you learned how to customize your YouTube channel and channel art. How to do channel setting, basic info, advanced setting and branding. So you learned all this. In this lecture we will learn channel setting, upload default, country agreement and advanced setting like account information and much more. So first we will go to the main setting. I'm on the same page. So here you see the uploads default. So here you can add a title that describe your video. So when you upload a video you will add a title here and it's a description, and here you see the visibility tags. So we will discuss all this later when we create a video and when we upload it. So this is advanced setting, and here you see the standard YouTube license. So we have this is important for a user, that how to create a standard YouTube license or Creative Commons attribution. So standard YouTube license is for that no one can use your video, your sound, your image. No one can use it. If they use it you can give them a copyright strike, but in free Creative Commons license you can use someone video, someone audio, someone, you can use anything. You can even completely take the someone videos from someone channel if he keep Creative Commons attribution license. So original video, language, subtitle and CC, you can select your language, subtitle, CC from which country you have selected, and community contribution is off, you can make it on, and you can comment visibility, hold potentially inoperative or whatever its name is. So you can change it, hold out comments for view, disable comments, you can allow or disable comments. So here we see the category, it's very important, category is very important. So when you create a channel then you can select your category. So film and animation, autos and vehicles, music, pets and animals, sports, travel, animals, gaming, people, blogs, comedy, entertainment. So you can select your category, from which category you are interested and which category you are belong to. So we will select education in this category because we will teach people about education. So we will select education. So caption with certification you can add this caption certification. This content has never arrived on television in the US. This content has only aired or whatever on the television in the US without caption. This content has not aired. So you can add or select or unselect your caption with our video, and you can add it. So we have done this setting, and click on save, and we will go to permission for PC software installation. You are currently manage channel permission through a brand account. So if you click on permission it will redirect you to your page. So here you can add a person to control your website, to control your YouTube channel, change rule, invite and remove user. So when I click manage permission, here you can add a person to your account with the email address, and he can manage your account, your Google account. You can give permission to him for posting videos and editing videos, or he can do anything in your account. So here you see the community, automated filter, moderators, add moderators. So you can add moderators, paste the channel URL of a user to add as a moderator. So you can also add moderator to your channel. He can do you can select this icon here and it will show the information. This user can remove comment which will appear in your held for review page, and can also moderate your live chat messenger. So approved user, this comment from this user are automatically published and won't be filtered by blocked links and blocked. So you can also do this, and hidden user can also comment and live chat messages from this user won't show up. It may take several days to remove existing comments and live chat messages. So you can add these blocked words. You can also read about this, and block links. You can block links. So it's a default hold potentially comment. So as I told you in the permission upload section, so it's agreement. All use of the service is subject to the YouTube terms. You can use YouTube's terms and permission here, agreement here. So we have all this section here, and when we go to customize channel, when we click on customize channel, it will redirect you here, and we have done this section. Now we will go to we have done all this setting. We will close it, and so this is our channel dashboard, and when we click on it, here you see that we have all these settings. When we click on this setting, it will show you this option here, and so here you can also read about your channel. So here is a membership, get YouTube Premium. It's not enabled yet because we have no subscriber and no watch time Google account. We will make a video about this. Add or remove manager. I told you before, you can add and remove manager. Video advanced setting, add or manager channel. So we have this notification here, desktop notification, your performance. You can also enable all this setting here. You can change your language, playback and performance, info card, subtitle closed, ABI setting. You can manage it here, and here we have the privacy. You can enable or disable this setting. Keep all my saved playlists private, keep all my subscription private. So you can enable or disable it. Connected account. So here we can connect to all these accounts. These are gaming channel, PUBG and Riot games, etc. Watch on TV. So launch YouTube on your TV. You can, this section is for TV when you want to watch your videos on TV. So we have this advanced setting. So this is also very important. So here you see the user ID, the channel ID, default channel, custom URL. This is also very important. When we go to PC software installation, our channel, so you see that we have a very long URL for our channel. As you see, we have this long URL. So custom URL means that you can create custom URL that you want. For example, it will simply click on PC software at the last, and it will not be so long. So move channel to your Google account or to different account. You can move your channel to brand new Gmail ID, and you can transfer it. Delete channel. Here you can delete your channel, so don't click on this. So this was the setting that we have it. So when we click on channel status and future, there will be more option. Here you can read about here. So this is very important. 0 of 3 copyright strike. Your copyright strike violation are listed below. 0 of 3 community guideline strike. 0 community guideline strike. So this is strike when you use someone audio, video, photo or anything in your video. Then a person that have a copyright owner, he can give you strike, and your video will be deleted from your channel, and the strike will remain for 3 months. And if you got 3 strike, your channel will be completely deleted. Your viewers, your subscriber, your money, everything will be gone when you got 3 strike. So always try to use your own content, your own voice, your own video, your own picture, and everything will be your own, then no one can give you strike. And follow the rules and community guidelines, then you will not get strike. So this is copyright strike, this is community guideline strike. When you go out of the community guideline strike, you can also get a strike. When you add a small part of a video or music to your video, then a person can give you a strike here, and this is called community guideline strike, but it will warn you before when you get a strike. So this or this section, when your channel grow, it also enable all this feature. So uploading, you can upload, it's enabled. As you see, it's green because I can upload anything to my YouTube channel. Monetization is not enabled, it's eligible. When I click enable, it say me that here you see the complete graph here. Grow with YouTube. As a YouTube partner, you will be eligible to earn money from your visitor, get creator support and more. To get into the YouTube partner program, your channel needs 4,000 4K public watch time, 4K public watch time in the last 12 months, and 1,000 subscriber. Your channel will also get reviewed to make sure it follows YouTube monetization policy. So when you complete all these, it will notify you that your channel is completed this target, and then it will be enabled for monetization. This will be enabled and green. Live streaming is not enabled. When we click on this, it will also have a account verification 1-2 step. So Pakistan and verify your account by phone lets you unlock. You can unlock it by verification your code, and it's embed live stream. Your account isn't enabled for live streaming. See live streaming feature status for more information. So you can select longer video. It's also not enabled in your channel. Upload videos longer than 15 minutes. So you can't upload it. It's have a target. When you complete that target, you can complete that. So here we have unlisted and private videos. It's enabled. You can unlisted or private videos. We will talk about this later when we upload a video. Custom thumbnail, so not enabled. Custom thumbnail is not enabled. So when we go to learn more, it will say that navigate YouTube Studio, open Studio, and get around. So it's not enabled because we have nothing on our website. Once we created a video, upload a video to our channel, then it will enable custom thumbnail for our website. So as you see that we have nothing on our website. So we have read about this custom external annotation. Lets you link annotation to external site or merge partners. So it's not enabled because we need to enable all these function, then it will be enabled. So this is custom URL, this is not enabled. So when we click on here, so it will say, it will show you information that what is custom URL eligibility. You can read about it here. And this is content ID appeal. It's not enabled. Your account is not eligible at this time. When you get more subscriber and viewers, then you can appeal. When someone give you strike or give you a community guideline. So this is channel membership. This ability to offer membership isn't yet available for your channel. So it's not enabled yet. So when your channel grow up and all this will be enabled. So I will show you my old channel, and there you can see all this, but I have to sign out from this channel. So we have learned this channel setting, upload default, country, agreement and advanced setting. So in the next video, how to create Google Analytics ID for your YouTube channel and rank it on Google search engine. So now we will create Google Analytics ID for our YouTube channel, and we have to add this Google Analytics ID to our YouTube channel, as I told you in the previous video that how we can add channel analytics ID to our YouTube channel. So see you in the next video, and we will add channel analytics ID to our YouTube channel.